Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can make your Mac remember all the networks you connected to internet. So all the networks. So how you can do it? First you need just to click on Wi-Fi and just choose open network preferences and just wait until it will open settings menu. So here you can see the settings menu, and also you need to choose here advanced. So just choose advanced here, and here you will see remember networks this computer has joined. So just check if you have choose this option. So if not, just click on it. So after do it, just click OK, and it will successfully remember all the settings. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.